everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast charts of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 17th of July, around 9:40 p.m. And today we're gonna take a look at SPY, the ETF of the S&P. So technically, the market is trading into new all-time highs, and we wanna cover it with you guys and share with you guys our view of the market. I wanna remind you guys that charts of the day is a session in the homepage of Elliottwaveforecast.com when we publish a video for free and an analysis for free to our followers around the world. So make a habit, visit Elliott Wave Forecast every day to see the latest video, or subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get daily videos around about the market. All right, so let's go to the SPY. SPY, the index dropped, and in April the 7th found buyers at the three-way high frequency trading area between 513 473. From there, it's been rallying in an impulse structure, and we believe that it's gonna reach the area around 644 before a 3 weeks pullback. This structure here, it looks like an impulse, and an impulse that can be seen like this. This is the area, the high frequency area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and red, 1, 2, 3, and now we are ending wave 3 in the S&P. If we look at the RSI, the momentum gathering there is showing divergency. So everything to the upside now will come with momentum divergency, because the most powerful move already passed, that was the wave 3 of 3. So shorter cycles, we expecting SPY to trade and peak sometimes next week and create another buying opportunity after 3 weeks pullback. So, but I would like to say that this move is mature. I still believe that it's gonna make at least another 4 and a 5, but it can be ending doing two set of 4 and 5 extra, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, finishing wave 3, and then in that case, instead of 17 swing, it's gonna be doing 21 or 25 swings. But no question, target, the most likely target is at 644 area, 644, 695. From there, the cycle from April should be ending, and the index should be providing after a very nice buying opportunity. We don't recommend selling the indices, even though the pullback is around the corner, but the trend is bullish, and we will not recommend selling it. So if you like the video, we have a promotion now, which is 14 days for just 99 cents. Join us. You're gonna learn how to count the swings, how to trade the blue boxes, among other tools. All right, so have a good night, everyone. See you guys around.